Hello, our art friends. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a witch cupcake. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. Draw a curved line at the bottom. Then draw a straight line coming up from each end, slightly tilted outward. Inside the cupcake, draw two large circles for the eye. Draw two small eyelashes on each eye. Then color the eyes, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw a small half circle between the eyes. For the mouth, draw half an oval shape on the top of the cupcake to make the bottom of the witch's hat. Draw a zigzag line that has half squares in it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw an incomplete rectangle on each side for the belt. Join both sides in the middle with a square shape for the buckle. Then another smaller square inside with a tiny rectangle to finish the buckle. Draw the top part of the witch's hat, which is a cone shape that's curved to the side. Draw two lines coming out from the side of the cupcake, ending with a swirl for the top of the witch's cane. Witchalicious! Now you can draw a witch cupcake. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. draw light reflection on any surface while coloring. Leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.